Hello there, does your business have a website? And does that website have the accessibility features that the ADA law requires? The Americans with Disabilities Act is a law that requires all websites to provide features and/or tools, so any person with a disability can use to access, navigate, and digest the content on the website. We are seeing more and more website owners having non-compliant lawsuits filed against them these days. As more people have stayed home over the past couple years, it has caused a surge in the amount of time one spends on the internet, which in turn caused a massive increase in the number of lawsuits filed against business owners for not having their website accessible to the disabilities market. The majority of these cases are either settled out of court or have been won by the plaintiff. Either way, the average fine the business owners have paid in these cases is over $50,000. Therefore, it is now a best practice to provide accessibility technologies on your website for its visitors that require them. There is an easy way to make your website accessible, and that is where we come in. We are a marketing agency that specializes in providing an advanced accessibilities toolkit, which will render your website compliant with the law to the highest of standards. We have helped all types of businesses across the U.S. make their website compliant by hosting accessibility technology solutions. Our ADA Compliance Toolkit provides every tool and feature necessary to accommodate all types of disabilities. It enables anyone who visits your website the ability to access it and spend their time there digesting its content. Having such toolkits on your website is beneficial in many ways for your business. It not only provides these tools to the disabilities market, which alone has its many benefits, but it provides protection for your business to avoid a costly non-compliance lawsuit. In addition, search engines rank websites with accessibility features higher than those without. Therefore, the toolkit will help your business grow with new customers, as those who were previously not able to navigate your website will be able to with it available. Which, in turn, builds an automatic trust with the website visitors, as you are providing them the tools necessary for them to get around on your website and access its content. This market is huge, as 1 in 5 adult Americans are living with a disability, and as a whole, they spend an average of $650 billion annually. Much like your current target market, this large group of people is virtually untapped, and they spend time on the internet just like the rest of the world does. Many of them are also in need of your product or services right now. So, providing the tools for them to access your website is not only wise for growth, but ethically, the right thing to do. Now, some of your competitors already host similar tools on their websites. Because of this, they are sweeping up this market. What this means to you is that your business is missing out on tons of traffic that your competitors are getting, simply due to having accessibility tools on their website that these people need. Being a key player in your industry, you deserve to have this traffic redirected to your website. And of course, the people that make up the disabilities market definitely want to be pointed to reputable businesses in any industry they are searching for. We are here to help. Our advanced ADA Compliance Toolkit provides an abundance of features, so every single person in the disabilities market has the right tool available for them to access your website and eventually become a new customer. And, guess what? Our advanced toolkit is more affordable than you may think. In fact, our package, the ADA Compliance Toolkit, is the best of its kind, and also has the lowest price in our industry. That's right. We have made this affordable so it becomes more available, so every business and website owner can get it on their site easily. It does not matter what industry your business is in: healthcare, financial, education, childcare, restaurant, cleaning, retail, or any other. To be compliant with the law, the website must be accessible to everyone. This is specific to those with disabilities that need to use certain assistive technology solutions to navigate and understand the content on the internet. Our accessibility solution is the best in the game and the most affordable. Our goal is to see every website accessible to all that are in need, so no one is ever left out from enjoying the internet as it is meant to be enjoyed. We want to help you. help make your website accessible to the disabilities market with our advanced toolkit. Not only will it help you avoid a costly non-compliance lawsuit, but will also start getting an abundance of other benefits that are directly related to hosting these tools. Contact us today. We work fast to get the tools available on your website, and then your site will be displayed as a top option to the untapped disabilities market, many of whom are looking for your products and/or services right now. We look forward to hearing from you. Contact us today.